Have you ever encountered a situation where in process of reconciliation you change the color of the cells and then you have to sum the values on the basis of the color? And as of now, Excel doesn't have any function that could help us to sum the values on the basis of color. But thankfully, Excel has VBA. So today in this video, we will see how we can write our custom function to sum the values based on cell colors. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. To write our own custom function, we need to go to VB editor by pressing Alt F11. We'll right click, select insert and click on module. We will create our function with name sum by color. In this function, we will need two arguments. First one will be the cell reference whose color we need to match. Let our variable name be cell reference as range. And second one will be the range of cells from which we need to match the color and sum the values. So let our variable name be sum range as range. And our result will be numeric, so we will keep this as double. Now we will loop through each cell of the range, that is sum range. Next we will check if cell's color matches the color of the cell reference. If the color matches, then our sum range will equal to the existing value in the sum range plus the value in the cell. Finally, we will close our logic with endif and our loop with next cell. And our function is completed. Now let us check our code. Let's type some random numbers in some of the cells and convert it into values. Let us also give a color to some of the cells. Now we'll use the same color here and write our new function equal to sum by color. Cell reference is our color and range is these numbers. Let us freeze our range so that when we copy paste our formula, this doesn't get disturbed. And we got the sum based on color. But if we add this color to one more cell, the total doesn't change. This is because no values are changed and the sum can only recalculate when the value is changed, as you can see here. So we need to give Excel another event apart from the value change so that whenever that event happens, the worksheet is recalculated. So we'll go back to our VB editor, double click on our sheet name and change this from general to worksheet. We will give a condition to the procedure that if our selection change intersects target range A till Z, then active sheet dot calculate and close our condition with endif. What we have done here is that we gave a condition to the procedure that if our cell selection changes only between column A till Z, then only this procedure will recalculate the worksheet. I have intentionally given a bit higher range. You can be exact if you want. Now let us check if this works. We will add the same color to another cell and just leave the cell and our total is updated. So now we have our custom function to sum cell by color. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.